Have you ever noticed that a simple sentence can change everything for a woman? Like, you say something that makes her heart beat faster, or even brings a smile to her face without her realizing it. Or, better yet, she will remember it as a special moment forever. Words have enormous power. When you know what to say, you can create a real connection, make her trust you, and even have something magical happen between you two. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the power of words and how they can help you connect in a super special way with someone. I'll show you how to use those phrases that give butterflies in the stomach, that create a strong emotional bond, and bring the relationship closer and closer. And don't worry, I'll give you very simple examples, the right moment to say each thing, and how to create a pure atmosphere of attraction. Let's do this. Ready to learn? If this content has already made you think differently, go ahead and hit that like now. It really helps the channel grow and gives me even more motivation to bring more awesome tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new content. Oh, and send this video to that friend who needs to step up his conversation game and truly win someone over. Let's do this together. The secret of words to awaken desire is simple. When you choose the right thing to say, you can touch her heart and even stir her emotions. It doesn't have to be anything vulgar or forced, okay? The point is to say things that make her feel that she is unique, special, and highly desired. It's almost an art. It requires sensitivity, knowing the right moment, and of course, a touch of affection to create that magic in the conversation. For example, instead of simply saying, "You're beautiful," how about something like, "Wow, the way you styled your hair today is amazing. I can't help but notice you." This phrase does two incredible things. First, it shows that you noticed something special about her, which shows you're paying attention. And second, it makes it clear that you're impressed. Phrases like this make her feel unique and special because she'll realize you see her in a unique way. Another super powerful way to awaken desire is by creating that atmosphere of anticipation. Phrases that leave something special or mysterious in the air generate curiosity and make the person anxious to know what comes next. For example, "Tonight, I have something amazing planned for you. I can't wait to see your reaction." This creates a mystery, which is super attractive, and also shows that you value the time together. In addition, it gives the feeling that something unique and exciting will happen, which is quite seductive. Now that you understand the power of words, let's break them down into specific types. Each phrase has a different purpose, and knowing when to use each one can turn a regular conversation into something super special. Curiosity and anticipation. These phrases are perfect for stirring emotions and creating that exciting feeling of expectation. For example, when you say something like, "I have an amazing surprise for you later," or "I've been thinking about something that will bring us even closer. I'm sure you'll love it," you're planting the seed of mystery. And guess what happens? Her curiosity starts to take effect. Everyone loves to imagine what's coming, and when you leave it hanging that something special is about to happen, she starts creating scenarios in her head. And the best part, these scenarios, most of the time, are super positive and exciting. This type of conversation not only keeps her attention, but also gets her super excited to discover what you've planned. It's like you're inviting her to experience something unique, which strengthens the connection between you two. Emotional connection. Women really value when there is a deep emotional connection, something beyond looks or empty words. When you use words that show vulnerability or sincere admiration, you begin to build a strong bond, the kind that's hard to break. For example, when you say something like, "You're the only person who makes me feel this way," or "I never imagined I could connect with someone as I do with you," you convey a sense of exclusivity, showing that she occupies a very special place in your life. This goes way beyond superficial compliments. It's about making her realize the real value she has for you. These words create a space of emotional intimacy where both of you feel truly seen, heard, and understood. And that strengthens the relationship in a way that can't be done just with pretty words, but with authentic and true connection. When she realizes that you really care and see her in a unique way, the relationship gains depth that goes beyond words, creating a genuine and lasting bond. Intimacy and charm. There are moments when you want to express your desire, but in a more subtle way, without being heavy, and this is where words make all the difference. Phrases that complement her body or her gestures in an elegant and respectful way have enormous power. They create a sense of attraction, but in a way that maintains charm and delicacy. For example, "I love how your body fits so perfectly with mine," or "There's something in the way you look at me that leaves me speechless." These phrases aren't vulgar, they're sensual, but in a light and sophisticated way. They make it clear that you desire her, but in a way that makes her feel valued, respected, and even more irresistible. When you speak like this, you show a level of admiration that goes beyond the physical, because it's not just about desire, but also about how unique she is, the way she presents herself to the world. This creates an atmosphere of intimacy that goes beyond words and begins to involve the person in a deep and enchanting way. True attraction starts with words, creating an atmosphere where everything feels more engaging and exciting. Creating an engaging atmosphere is more than just being kind or affectionate. It's about knowing how to suggest intimacy in a very subtle way, engaging her senses even before any physical approach. It's as if you had the power to create a climate of desire just with words, making everything around you both seem more intense and meaningful. For example, when you say something like, "I love how your presence lights up the room," like everything around you becomes more vibrant, you're not just complimenting her, but creating a sense that she has the power to transform the space she's in. These words not only awaken her curiosity, but they also create a soft and seductive atmosphere of desire, making her heart beat faster without her noticing. This type of communication has a deep effect because it goes beyond the surface. When you say something like this, you create an emotional connection that makes her feel there's something special between you two, something that goes beyond the physical, something more genuine. This creates a sense of closeness that makes her feel more connected to you, even without physical touch. And this is exactly what makes words so powerful. They can stir emotions in such an intense way that they create bonds even deeper than any physical gesture. You can awaken a silent desire, an attraction that grows with each word, without rushing, without forcing anything. Everything happens naturally because you're touching her in an emotional way that goes far beyond a simple superficial compliment. Now that you understand the power words have to generate desire, create emotional intimacy, and increase attraction, it's time to put all of this into practice. But here's the secret: it's not about memorizing beautiful phrases or using complicated words. The most important thing is to understand the impact they have and use them in a genuine and true way. It's not about impressing, but about connecting in an authentic and sincere manner. When you do this, the words become even more powerful. They can transform any moment, any conversation, into something more meaningful and intense. And when these words are combined with real actions, with genuine gestures of affection and attention, they have the power to completely transform any relationship, making it even deeper and more exciting. This is the true magic of words. When you use them authentically and sincerely, there's no limit to what they can do for you and for the relationship you're building.